Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the best product reviews. Today, we're talking about the Ultra Pro Pokemon Pikachu 2 inches 3 ring binder, which, in my opinion, is hands down the best Pokemon folder for school. If you're looking to store your Pokemon cards, school notes, or even artwork, this binder is an excellent choice. Let's dive into why this 3-ring binder is getting so much love from collectors and students alike. First off, let's talk about the design. This binder features an adorable Pikachu graphic right on the cover. If you're a fan of Pokemon, especially Pikachu, this binder is going to brighten up your day every time you use it. The yellow color is vibrant and eye-catching, making it stand out whether you're carrying it to class or using it to store your prized card collection. Now, about the build quality, it's sturdy and durable. The binder is made to hold up over time, so you don't have to worry about it falling apart after a few weeks of heavy use. With a 2-inch capacity, it's spacious enough to store multiple pages of trading cards, papers, or school documents. Plus, it fits any standard 3-hole punched pages, making it incredibly versatile for all your organizational needs. It's designed to accommodate trading card collectors, too. While it doesn't come with storage sheets, you can easily add Ultra Pro 9 pocket pages or any other 3-ring card pages to make the most of the space. So whether you're collecting Pokemon cards or need extra space for school papers, this binder can handle it all. When it comes to practicality, it doesn't get much better. The 3-ring mechanism is smooth and reliable, ensuring you can add and remove pages without any hassle. Whether you're in school, at home, or even on the go, this binder will keep your important items safe and organized. Plus, it's compact enough to fit in most bags, making it easy to carry around. This binder isn't just functional, it's also affordable. At just under $20, it offers great value for Pokemon fans and anyone in need of a reliable storage solution. Even with shipping to India included, it's a worthwhile investment, especially for the durability and practicality it offers. So if you're in the market for a quality Pokemon binder, whether for storing cards or school materials, the Ultra Pro Pikachu 3-ring binder is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews, and let us know in the comments what you think of this binder. Until next time.